In this lecture, CS 8601 mobile computing. Today we are going to discuss the topic Unit 4 wireless session protocols. So already in the previous classes we are moving to the wireless application protocols and also the wireless datagram protocol, how to the architecture will be functioned, and what are the advantages, what are the futures of wire applications protocols and the datagram protocols, and then wireless transport layers security protocols, and also the application environmental protocols. Now today we can how to discuss the wireless session protocols. It has been designed to operate on top of the datagram service, that is a WDP, or transaction service, WTP. It provides a shared state between a client and a server. The WSP, that is a wireless session protocol, offers the following need for the content of exchange between the cooperating client and the server. Now we can see the wireless session protocol introductions. The protocol offers the following needed for content exchange between the cooperating client and servers. So the first one is session management. So the wireless session protocol introduced the session that can be established from a client to a server. The capabilities of the suspending and resuming their session are important to mobile application. It assumes a mobile device is being switched off. It would be useful for a user to be able to continue the operation at exactly the point where the device was switched off. And then the second one is capabilities and negotiations. The capabilities, that is a client and server can agree upon a common level of protocols functionalities during the session establishment. For example, the parameter to negotiations, first one is a maximum client of SDU size and maximum outstanding request, and also the protocol options, server of SDU size and content encoding. Now, the wireless session protocol defines the efficient binary encoding for the content it transfer. The wireless session protocol offers the content typing and composite object. So, in this protocol, the session management facilities and also the method innovation facilities and the exception reporting facility, push facilities, and also confirmation push facilities, session resume facilities. So the WSP is designed to function on the transaction and datagram services between the WAE and the WTP. The WSP is a transaction-oriented protocol. It based on concept of request and replay operations, and also it defines a server push operation in which the server send unrequested content to a client. That is a broadcast messages. Now, the capabilities neglections needed to the client and the server can agree upon a common level of protocols functionalities during the session establishment. For example, the parameter to negotiation or maximum client SDU sizes, maximum outstanding request, and protocol options. The server SDU size, the content encoding, the wireless session protocols defines the efficient binary encoding for the content it transfer. That is, wireless session offer content typing and a composite object. The wireless sensor session of protocols are browsing The WSP or B compares the protocol services most suited for browsing type applications. Now, the browsing, that is a wireless session protocol browsing, offers the following features. Number one, this is a hypertext transfer protocol 1.1 functionality. The wireless session protocol, it support the hypertext transfer protocol and 1.1 functions such as it extensible request or replay methods. The composite object, that is it is a server to client, and content type negations. The exchange of session header, the client and the server can exchange a request, that is a replay header, that remain constant over the lifetime of the sessions. These header may include the content type, that is a characters set, languages, device capabilities, and the other static parameters. The wireless session protocol B will not interpret the header information but passes all header directly to server user. The push and pull data transfer, the pulling the data from a server is supported by wireless session protocol or browser. It is using the request and response mechanism. The response and request mechanism of in this browser, it support three push mechanism for data transfer. So that is called a confirmed data push with an existing session context, a non-confirmed data push with an existing content session, a non-confirmed data push without an existing session context, and also the asynchronous request, the optionally of the wireless session protocol browser, it is support a client that can send the multiple requests to a server simultaneously. This improve the efficiency and latency of the client and the server. So in this wireless session protocol, it is a protocol, it provides a shared state between the client and the server. So the wireless session protocol offers the following needed to conduct the exchange between the cooperating client and the server. The session management, the session management of this wireless session protocol introduce the sessions that can be established from a client to a server. The capabilities of suspending and resulting session are important to mobile applications. Assume the mobile device is being switched off, it would be useful for a user to able to continue operations at exactly the point where the device was switched off. The capabilities segmentations, the client and server can agree upon a common level of protocol functionalities during the session establishment. For example, the parameters to negotiate the maximum client, that is session distributed unit size, and maximum outstanding request, and also the protocol options, server SDU size, and also the content encoding. So the wireless session protocol defines the efficient binary encoding for the content itself transfer. The session protocol offers the content typing and composite object. In this session protocol browsing, the compares the protocols and servers must suited for business type applications. So it offers the following features, that is HTTP 1.1 functionality. So the session protocol B support the HTTP 1.1 functions such as extensible request, that is a replay method, composite object and content type negatations. And it exchange of session header, the client and server can exchange the request a replay header that remain the constant over the lifetime of the session. These header may include the content type and character set, languages like device capabilities and the other static parameters. And the browser will be not interpret the header files but passes all header directly to these service users. So the push and the pop pull data transfer, the pulling data from a server is supported by browser by using the response request and response message mechanism. It support three push mechanism for data transfer. So number one, a confirmed data push with an existing session context, a non-confirmed data push with an existing session context, and a non-confirmed data push without an existing session content. The asynchronous request, it is optionally the session protocol browser it is support the client that can be sent the multiple requests to the server simultaneously and improve the efficiency and latency. So in this session we have to discuss the complete of wireless sensor session protocols layer. Thank you for watching this video.